Point B lies on line segment AC such that the length of AB is 7 more than twice the length of BC. If the length of AC is 55, what is the length of AB? Okay, let me draw the line segment AC over here. Okay, let me take A over here, C over here. According to the given information, the length of AC is 55. So that is the length of AC is 55. Now we can take the point B on the line segment AC. Let me take the point B over here. Our aim is to get the length of AB. So we can assume X as the length of AB. Then what is the length of BC? To get the length of BC, we have to subtract the length of AB, that is X, from the length of AC, that is 55. Then 55 negative X is the length of BC. Now let's consider the information we have over here. That is the length of AB is 7 more than twice the length of BC. Let's consider the length of AB, that is X, equals to 7 more than twice the length of BC. Okay, to get twice the length of BC, we have to multiply this stuff by 2. That is 2 times of the length of BC, 2 times 55 negative X. Since we have 7 more than, we have to add 7 over here. Now we have to solve for X in this equation, which gives the length of AB. Okay, X equals to, we can distribute this 2 to this 55 and negative X. Then I'm getting 110 negative 2X, positive 7. Okay, X equals to, let's combine this one and this one. Then I'm getting 117 negative 2X. Let's add 2X to both sides of this equation. Then this negative 2X, positive 2X will cancel out. When I combine X and 2X, I'm getting 3X. On the right side, we have 117. Let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. This 3 will cancel out. I'm getting X on the left side. On the right side, when I divide 117 by 3, I'm getting 39. Here I got the value of X, that is the length of AB, 39.